Now most of you guys know buckwheat. Buckwheat is this. It's a grain. It's gluten-free. Got a lot of health benefits. And what you also can do with it is making KASHA. And KASHA is nothing more or less than what I'm doing right now, is roast the buckwheat. Now what you need to do is use an iron pan. It's the best thing to do because it spreads the heat the best way. And you put the heat low. And then what you're going to do is just put the buckwheat in it and just keep on moving it. And that's very important to do, because if you don't, it's going to burn. And then it's going to be black instead of brown, like it's going to start to get right now. I'm stirring it right now in about 10 minutes, so you need to be patient. And it's starting to get brown and roasted, like you see. And it's important just to keep it moving constantly, because again, if you don't, it's gonna burn. And this is smelling right now very nice. It's a great smell. And while you keep on doing it, I think it's about 15 minutes. So again, you got to be patient. Then you got roasted buckwheat, and you can use it as a crisp in mueslis or gruslis, or through yogurt, or you can eat it like this. It's very tasty. It has a nutty taste, so if you're allergic to nuts, you can eat this instead, because it's a great nutty taste. And yeah, I love it, and I love to bake with it, because you can also make lots of crispy things in it with it, sorry, like bars or crispy cakes or whatever. Now as you can see, it's starting really good, starting to get brown, so I think I'm gonna put the heat off, because I think it's done right now. Really smelling nice. So yeah, so I turn the heat off, and because of the iron pan, the heat is gonna stay for a long time. So what you're gonna do is just let it slide for a while, so then it get really crispy. So if you just leave it stand there for a while, then you get KASHA. And you should try it. It's really, really nice. It's really, really healthy, because if you keep on heating it low, like I did, the nutritions are staying just the way they are from the buckwheat. And yeah, it's really nice. Just try it.